End users use the power of Excel to design applications that help with their day-to-day work, as Excel allows users to write the business logic as Excel formulae and can see the result of that instantaneously. The Boardwalk Velocity platform offers a low-code, single-positional schema where transactions are chained to each other, with a timestamp on every transaction. Since the platform uses a single schema, it lends itself to focus on the application design, as represented in Excel, and does not get bogged down with the designing of database tables in support of the application. Hence, every sheet in the Excel workbook of an application is stored as is in the single schema, which are referenced as cuboids. Data is stored at the Excel cell level, and every change of the value of a cell is chained to the previous value of that cell, along with the user who changed value, the timestamp of the change. Each change, when sent to the database, gets a transaction ID within the database. The contents of the cell, either values or formulae, as well as the positionality are stored in the database. The single schema, also referred to as Boardwalk's digital ledger, supports organization and process hierarchy, data catalogs like master data, process-related data, and master templates that work on the underlying data. Services included are data management like retrieval and storage are available, collaboration, authentication, and entitlement, rule-based ETL to import or export data to and from the system, as well as REST APIs to interact with the underlying data. User interfaces supported are Excel application, Excel in browser mode, web browser, and REST APIs. For the Excel interface, the platform has a template designer and an integration designer. A utility to quickly onboard an Excel application, called the Accelerator, is also provided. For managing the onboarding process, complementing the Accelerator are workbooks that help with server management, application administration, portal management, and governance reports. The Boardwalk platform is deployed using a 3-tier architecture, with the SQL Server serving as the database, Tomcat Server as the middle layer, and the Excel as the primary client. The database server and the middle layer can be deployed on premises behind a firewall or in a cloud environment. All communications between the client and server are secure and encrypted. The server layer provides data storage at the cell level, query processing, and a detailed audit trail on changes made. An integration framework provides an easy rule-based ETL system to load data from various sources, with data cleansing and validations. The middle layer handles the version data management, access control, and users and group authentications and authorizations. It can be integrated with industry-standard provisioning and authentication software. Boardwalk provides 5 key functions that operate on the cuboid. Link export. This function facilitates the export of data from a workbook to the database. Link import enables the import of data from a database to the workbook. Submit allows users to send changes made in the workbook to the database. Refresh. This function brings changes from the database into the workbook, ensuring synchronization. Transactional history provides insights into how a cell, row, or table has changed over time, offering a comprehensive transactional history. In Boardwalk, data is stored at a granular level, down to the cell, and includes user and time information. Changes made to the data are recorded and stored in the database at the cell level, with each change assigned a unique transaction ID. Importantly, the sequence of the data, maintaining the arrangement of rows and columns as they appear in the workbook, is preserved within Boardwalk. The dataset that users work on within the workbook or Boardwalk template is referred to as the work slice. Users have the capability to integrate external data into their work slice using Excel Merge. Additionally, for designing applications within Boardwalk, tools such as the Boardwalk Design Framework and Accelerator are available, facilitating efficient application development and customization. Boardwalk provides a single schema offering data persistence and transaction chaining. It seamlessly integrates with enterprise applications, offering robust features such as access control, collaboration, change management, and process management. At the core of Boardwalk systems lies the cuboid, which serves as the fundamental Boardwalk table. Each cuboid corresponds to a specific range of data within a worksheet. Access control is crucial for protecting the cuboid, ensuring that only authorized users gain access. This protection extends further with column access control, which limits access to specific columns, and row access control, which grants access to rows based on predefined criteria. The 5 functions of Boardwalk respect and adhere to this access control framework when interacting with the cuboid data, ensuring data security and integrity. In a scenario where 2 users are connected to the same cuboid, each with their own Excel workbooks, user 1 initiates changes and submits them to the Boardwalk cuboid. This submission selectively captures modifications and integrates them into the database, establishing visual versioning. Upon refreshing, user 2, who has the previous version, receives the latest updates, integrating only the net changes into their spreadsheet. Subsequent modifications follow the same process, appending additional layers to the data in the ledger. Notably, there's no need for email exchange as both users have concurrent access to the data. Submit and refresh actions efficiently transmit and receive incremental changes, ensuring seamless data synchronization. This concept can scale to accommodate numerous users, replacing manual synchronization or complex IT-developed programs. The combined functionality of submit and refresh enables automated synchronization within the ledger. This slide explores diverse process flows achievable through Boardwalk's merge capabilities. Using Excel Merge, users blend external data with application data stored in a workbook cuboid, enabling further modifications before submission to the database. Post-submission, Supermerge facilitates data export to external files. An external data file is integrated into a Boardwalk cuboid via Supermerge, then merged with another cuboid for aggregated management reporting. SQL table data merges into a cuboid via Supermerge, followed by extraction for transmission to specialized solutions like JSON. Data from a point solution, for example, JSON, merges into a Boardwalk cuboid via Supermerge, then extracts to a SQL table for reporting using tools like Tableau or Power BI. These examples illustrate the versatility of Boardwalk's merge capabilities, though additional possibilities beyond these scenarios exist.